What's up, guys? It's your girl, Stephanie. Steph delivers. You know. All right, guys, I got a golden nugget tip for you. Put it in your pocket. Put it on lockdown. All right, and this tip is start screenshotting your earnings every month. So each month you get paid, or each week you get paid, start screenshotting. The reason why is at the end of the year, when it comes to doing your taxes, you want to make sure that Doordash's numbers jive with your numbers. You know what I'm saying? So take a picture, write it down, do something. Just make sure you're keeping track of your earnings, because you have to be your own advocate. You can't trust that what Doordash actually sends you when you file your taxes. You can't trust it. That's going to be correct. All right? Talk to you guys later. God bless. God loves you. And be safe.